Welcome to a new house plan design walkthrough. Today we're introducing the 3-bedroom urban barnhouse plan. This house plan is designed to fit into a standard suburban lot, while creating ample of space for everyday life and maximizing the outdoor experience. I'm Chloe, the principal of Design with Frank, a residential design consulting firm. And in our YouTube channel, we'll bring you the beauty of architecture and house design. The original design is based on a lake house project we did in Michigan. We used that design, but reduced the project scope and make it much more compact to better serve various family needs. The total house footprint is 51 feet wide and 57 feet long. The house itself is 28 feet wide and the garage is 23 feet wide. It works well for a site of minimum width of 61 feet, considering having a 5 feet side setback on each side. First, we designed the house from the street view. The building is wrapped with a dark color siding, with a contrasting entry alcove to create a strong visual impact. The cover entry makes the front door really stand out, creating a clear curb appeal and welcoming experience. The entry area also features a large mud room, a powder room, and a laundry area. It can even fit a dog bath inside. On the garage side, we have direct access to the pantry and kitchen, so making the daily experience of bringing grocery back to home really comfortable. The main living space is an open concept with living, dining, and kitchen clustered into one large space. The dining room and the living room have their own deck, extending the living experience outdoors. The central kitchen features a large island and an ample counter space, and it is well proportioned to accommodate large appliances. The living and the dining room have a large slider that looks out to the backyard. The design is perfect for a scenic view, such as a lakefront, mountains, or even an urban garden backyard would be lovely. The key elements of the urban barnhouse is this outdoor kitchen area. We used the garage to create a private side yard right next to the dining room. We designed a built-in outdoor kitchen right at the garage section. Imagine hosting a summer dinner party here, filling outside with the full privacy and the easy access to the kitchen and pantry for bringing food. We used a very shallow roof system for the garage to make it appear almost flat. The entire building massing creates a wonderful silhouette from the street. On the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms with primary suite on the other end of the building. The primary suite has a large walk-in closet and a bathroom with a dry and wet layout. The other 2 bedrooms offers a backyard view and a large walk-in closet. We added an additional laundry unit on the second floor for the ease of convenience. The entire design plan package includes floor plans of all levels, exterior elevation, and building sections. We also provide reference layout for structure, from foundation, roof to truss. And then the package also includes wall section and building assembly. On the interior side, we have all the interior elevation and a blow-up page for the kitchen cabinet layout and the bathroom design. I hope you like this new house design we released. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. In the next video, I will discuss in depth of the building assembly for this house and how we designed the garage flat roof to address some common concerns about flat roof.